Hi, this is us. You're watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we will learn how to change our heading into a bigger heading. Do you want a bigger heading? Okay, here we are using some style for our heading. First of all, we are starting our HTML document. Here HTML tag, here is body tag for the opening, and this is the body tag for the ending. This is the HTML tag for the ending. So here are two tags here, and here also two tags. This is HTML opening, this is body opening, this is body ending, this is HTML ending. So whenever you will start any tag, you will end it like this. Okay, so now we are going for our body. In the body, you can see here is heading 1. This is our starting tag h1, but we are not closing it here. Its other part is here. Okay, so between first tag we will write something. Inside the first tag we will write something. Here we are writing style. We are writing here style is equal to font size. So font size is 60 pixel. Okay, you can also change it to 70, 80, anything, any bigger size you want or any smaller you want. So here is style, font size is 60 pixel. Okay, and now this will shown there after execution. This will show in a bigger size heading on our web page, and we are now ending this heading 1. Okay, next we have heading 1 also, and we are not making it bigger, so that's not bigger, and this will show here in the smaller heading. So we are ending this heading. Oh, sorry. So next we have a paragraph P. Here you can write P1, and this is thanks. Okay, so now we are ending our body tag and ending our HTML tag. So now save it. Sorry, we will save it in the notepad. Copy. So here, paste it here and save it. L.html. So now open it, how it looks like. So here you can see this is the result of our HTML coding. This is the result. Here you can see Mr. This is in a bigger size, and here in the letter that's not bigger, so it is not so much bigger. And next we have a paragraph thanks. So let's change something also. In our notepad we are going in the paragraph, the style we are changing 60 to 100. So now save it in the same file, and now open it and refresh it. Here you can see, okay, on the bigger size. So because we are changing the same code, so this is not here, this is in the below size. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.